Hello, Dr. James Bogash, expert in health and longevity, and in today's Slingshot to Better Health in 60 Seconds, we're going to talk about two things that happened to me last weekend, and it's because pain is such an inhibiting factor for a lot of people living life to their fullest. One was I woke up with some shoulder pain, pretty typical of like a rotator cuff tendonitis, supraspinatus, and maybe slipped on it wrong. There wasn't anything I did in judo or jiu-jitsu the day before, but I started working soft tissue, both with my thumbs, with the massage gun, and doing eccentric exercises, and 2 days later it was gone. The other thing was woke up with some significant hand pain, really focused on the middle finger, third digit, and again, not sure what happened. The pain went away in a little bit, but there was definitely a restriction and some sharp pains. I immediately started working on it from a soft tissue standpoint, doing some stretching, and again, that's completely gone. We need to manage these things on the front end correctly so that